उत्तर गोवा नियोजन आणि विकास प्राधिकरणान येवपी वेंचणूक दोळ्यामुखार दवरून घाई गडबडीन पणजी महानगरपालिकेक विश्वासात न घेता पणजी शाराचो बाह्य विकास आराखडो तयार केला असो आरोप पणजी महानगरपालिकेचे महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादो हांणी केला। नव्या आराखड्या प्रमाण महापालिके कडेन येवपी कसल्याच प्रस्तावांक मंजुरी दिवचे ना। हो आराखडो निवडणूक निधी जमोवपाचो घोटाळो आसा असो आरोपय तांणी मुखार केला। RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान सुशील शुक्ला।
This ODP comes once in 10 years. I think the last ODP was in 2009. So 10 years have not been completed. So we as the representative of the people of Panjim are voicing our grievances because of this ODP. This ODP is meant only for collection for election. That should be a headline. Collections for election. Why so much hurry in this ODP? When Panjim is crying, literally crying for the infrastructure. You will recollect when I was the mayor last time, without the NOC from CCP, then Commissioner Mr. Sanjit Rodrigues, who was also the MD of GSIDC, unilaterally gives an NOC as Commissioner Sanjit Rodrigues to MD Sanjit Rodrigues. He gives NOC for this big mega scam concretized road from Miramar, Donaval Circle to Raj Bhavan. People of Panjim are not aware. Oh, they are trying to be not to know anything. But since we are the guardians of the citizens of Panjim for having voted a panel, we have to bring to the notice of the government and people of Panjim and Goa that this is what is happening. This is collection for election.